Everyone. You might be in a situation where you're trying to basically fix your iPhone if it randomly died and it's not turning on. Now, there's a couple of different things to remember here. Number one is that within your iPhone, you're going to have to remember that within a device like this, you are pretty much having to make sure that it's charged. So if your iPhone is dead, you want to make sure your iPhone is fully charged or kind of charged enough. Because sometimes if it isn't, that is going to be a big issue. So go through, just plug your iPhone in and just make sure it has some charge or put a maxi charger on a wireless charger. That is kind of one of the big things I recommend doing. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well is to just go through and trying to basically force restart your device. So what this looks like here is that you would essentially turn on your phone. If it's not turning on, then you'd basically just skip that. What you'd want to do is you want to click the volume up button, click the volume down button, and then hold the side button for 15 to 20 seconds. So it look like this: volume up, volume down, and then holding this side button for as long as you can, and keep holding it down until your phone restarts. If your phone restarts, then you should be able to go through and just basically turn your phone back on and just use your phone as you normally would. So keep holding it down, and if you see an Apple logo like this, then that's when you want to let go. So let go when you see that Apple logo, and hopefully that will end up fixing the problem for you. So it's not a guarantee, but that's kind of the main way to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.